I think about three or four, which are the major and the big career fairs, which happen for a span of 2 or 3 days. The first one is in September. So school starts in August, and there's a career fair that happens in September. I think there's one more in Feb, and there's one in April or May. I'm not exactly sure of the months, but three or four happen, and they're really big career fairs. All sorts of companies come: Apple, Google, Facebook. Those are the big companies that come. You have smaller scale companies like startups that come in. You have local companies that come in. All sorts of companies come in. There's opportunity for everyone. It's just like you get to know people, you network, you get cards, people from their company, so you can add them on LinkedIn. Most people find internships, I think about 20% find internships using career fairs. A lot of them are using the college platform, which is called Handshake. That's when the company comes online, they post a job description, you apply, and if they find you interesting, they invite you for an interview. Usually there are about 2 or 5 interviews for an internship, not more than that. At CMU, everyone got an internship. There was not one person who didn't get an internship. So that's amazing. And the placement record was really, really good. So you get all sorts of internships. People work as consultants, people work as software engineers, data science, machine learning, project managers. It's again what you apply for and what you get. The salary varies. So again, it depends on the city you are in. It can go from about $20 an hour to about $40 or $50 an hour. Sometimes you get a starting bonus of like $5,000. So it really depends on which company you get into. So during my batch, about 3 people worked as an RA, and that's because they were more interested in doing the research rather than getting an internship. I think everyone else got an internship. I think about 30% internships convert to full-time jobs. A lot of people, even after the conversion, do not take that job because they want to look for something better if they're not happy. You apply via Handshake, LinkedIn, and you go for career fairs. So yeah, it's very similar. It's just that in one case you're looking for an internship, and in one case you're looking for a full-time job. The companies coming in for full-time job are much more than those coming in for internships. And again, the career fairs are held about 4 to 5 times a year. But Handshake always has companies coming in, putting their job descriptions. It tells you if you're a good match for it, and then you can apply. So I think majority of the students get full-time jobs very fast. I think by Jan at least, right now in my batch, there'll be like 1 or 2 people who've not got full-time jobs, and it's not like they're not getting interviews. They just don't want those kind of jobs, so they're very picky about what they want, and they're still looking for the right match. But I think everyone will get a full-time job. Everyone definitely gets an interview call, not one, at least 5 or 6 interview calls, and then it's up to you if you convert it or not. The average salary would range from about $80,000 to about $120,000. I'd say about $100,000, $120,000 would be like the range I know for which most people are getting paid. Software engineers and data analytics and machine learning engineers get paid more than consultants.